Hello everyone, welcome to our another Amazon unbox series. Today we are unboxing Samsung 860 EVO 500GB SATA M.2 SSD, which we're going to install in the system. So let's unbox it. So it came like a little bit shredded from here, so let's tear it open. So here is the SSD box. You can see that it came in a pretty good box and a little bit of dents here. That's okay, that's what we think. And it comes with a Samsung seal, which is covered with a QR code, so you can scan to make sure it's not tampered. And now we are opening it. So here we go. You can see this is the SSD card, 860 EVO 500GB. This is the main thing which need to come in the box. Let's see if there's any other thing which is with it. And yes, there is a manual again, which is secured. You can take it out now. So this is the manual, and I strongly recommend that you register your this is the tool, Samsung Magician tool, and I believe there's another one which checks the health of this card. So we strongly recommend that you register your card as soon as you install it, because sometimes the warranty is not the one it's the day you buy. So you make sure you keep the bill with you, so if tomorrow you need to prove that it's valid and its warranty start from today, so you can show it to Samsung if needed. However, they are pretty rugged and they don't go down like that easy, but still. So thank you once again for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.